7 planets where aliens might be living. On Tuesday, September 27th, billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk unveiled his plans for making humans a multi-planetary species through the colonization of Mars. While Earth sits near the inside boundary of the habitable zone in our solar system, cold Mars sits closer to the far end of it. To emphasize, the habitable zone is a donut-shaped Goldilocks region around the star where a planet would be warm enough to have liquid water and cool enough to keep it from evaporating away. However, in the infinite cosmos, there are a myriad of planets capable of hosting life, and these are some of the most interesting ones. Number 7. Glee AZ 163. ESI rating 0.73. The super-Terran exoplanet has a minimum mass of 6.9 Earth masses and takes nearly 26 days to orbit this star. Located at a distance of 50 light-years away from Earth, its parent star is in the constellation of Dorado. Number 6. Kepler 186f. ESI rating 0.61. A newly discovered planet nicknamed Earth's cousin has just been found 490 light-years away from Earth. Only about 10% larger than Earth, Kepler 186f is the closest planet to Earth in size ever found in the habitable zone of its star, one of the 5 planets found in the extrasolar system, located about 490 light-years from Earth. This planet is almost certainly rocky. Number 5. Glee AZ 581g. ESI of 0.92. The planet was first announced in September 2010, and it was believed to be within the habitable zone of its parent star, which is a red dwarf. The University of Puerto Rico at Arecibo calls Glee AZ 581g the top candidate for alien life, with an astonishing ESI rating of 0.92, the highest ever recorded. However, the researchers said that the planet always has one side facing its parent star and the other in utter darkness. The region of habitability would likely be on the line between shadow and light. The planet's existence very quickly came under scrutiny, and many scientists argue it doesn't exist at all. Number 4. Kepler 62e. ESI rating 0.83 is an exoplanet located at a distance of 1,200 light-years away from Earth and is believed to be water-world, which means it is a planet completely covered by water. The planet is about 1.6 times the size of the Earth and orbits its parent red dwarf star about once every 122 days. It has a cloudy sky and is probably warm and humid everywhere other than the polar caps. Number 3. Kepler 438b. ESI rating 0.88. One of the most Earth-like alien planets ever discovered, an exoplanet just 12% wider than Earth that appears to be at the right temperature to host life as we know it. However, every few hundred days, the host star of Kepler 438b blasts out super flares of high-energy radiation, more powerful than any eruption ever recorded from our Sun. And perhaps these flares are accompanied by gigantic explosions of plasma known as coronal mass ejections, which would make this planet less likely capable of hosting extraterrestrial life. Kepler 438b lies 470 light-years away from Earth and will be able to retain an atmosphere if it possesses a global magnetic field like Earth does. Kepler 438b's ESI rating is 0.88 on a scale from 0, no similarity to Earth, to 1, a true Earth twin. Number 2. Kepler 22b. ESI rating 0.81. The planet is about 2.4 times the radius of Earth and has the highest chance of having water in all of the habitable zone planets. In fact, this planet might be so water-rich that it might be an ocean world. The planet is estimated to have a comfortable average surface temperature of 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This planet has caught the attention of many anime enthusiasts when a Dragon Ball Z fan raised a petition in order to rename the planet as Namek, one of the iconic planets in the series and home to the character Piccolo. Number 1. Milky Way 667cc. ESI rating 0.85. Glee AZ 667cc is also close by Earth, about 22 light years away in the constellation Scorpius. The planet is at least 4.5 times bigger than Earth and takes 28 days to make an orbit around its parent star. This planet is believed to have a rocky surface and is 85% similar to Earth. GJ667c, the parent star, is actually part of a triple star system.